Okay, so we have another question like we did yesterday with we've got some blocks and we need to complete this table. The graph is already done for us. So if you look here, it's a little blurry, but this says terms for the x axis, and we have blocks for the y-axis. All right, so let's go in order. I don't have term 1, but I have term 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so term 2 has 12 blocks. Term 4 has 8 blocks. Term 6 has 4 blocks. And term 8 has 0 blocks. So this one, as I go up in terms, I'm going down in blocks, right? And it looks like I'm going down by 4 each time. So since it's the same thing each time, you can see this graph is a straight line. If I were to connect those points, it's a straight line. So let's see what the next question is asking us. Okay, so what does the coordinate 6, 4 represent? Just like yesterday, remember the first one is x, the second number is y. The coordinate six, 4, make sure you have parentheses and a comma, means or represents, means the 6th term has 4 blocks. That's it. This is just, do you know which one is terms and which one is blocks? So the first value, the x value, is the terms, and the y value is the blocks. That's it. No trick, not complicated.